Right, this is everything I am packing for our 2 weeks in Japan. Full disclosure, this is a little bit more than I usually pack for a 2-week trip, especially when I'm traveling solo, and that is because Jake is traveling with me and he's able to pack all the camera equipment. So that gives me a little bit, he's laughing as I say this, and that gives me a little bit more leeway in the space that I have. So if it was just me for a 2-week trip, I would probably take out about a fourth of what I'm going to show you. So just keep that in mind. So let's get started. All right, so Japan's gonna be high 60s to high 70s. So I kind of kept that in mind with what I'm packing. Usually when it's weather like that, instead of packing a ton of jeans, I like to do dresses and skirts with like long sleeve shirts, t-shirts, think layering. So 2 jean skirts, black, blue, a regular skirt, jean shorts, a romper, sleeveless, 2 full sleeve dresses, and then a short sleeve dress, and then 1 nice dress for our nicer dinners. I will probably wear this for every single nice dinner. Real quick, this is a new find of mine. So this is an Athleta romper. It doesn't look very cute when I'm holding it up or online, but it is really cute on. I loved this when I was in Venice. It was way hotter than I expected. The fabric is super cool and you can easily layer it with jackets, sweaters, whatever. While I'm on that topic, anything that I talk about that is still available, I am putting together a like it to know it folder. So I will link any product that you can still buy. I will try and find it and link it on that folder. So dresses, 5 t-shirts, 1 long sleeve shirt, 3 tank tops, another new find of mine that I love. This exceeded expectations. So this is an aloe tank top, rib tank top. There's a couple versions. I found the specific one that I like. I like this because 1, it's padded so you don't have to wear a bra underneath it, but 2, it's fitted to where you can put it underneath your jeans or your shorts, but you can also untuck it and it looks good. So this exceeded expectations. I will definitely rebuy in more colors. If y'all been following along, you know my usual uniform is a button down with jeans and my Kohan. So I just love the button down. So I have 4 long sleeve button down shirts. Rails is definitely my go-to brand. I know it's expensive, but you can usually find it on sale at Nordstrom. I just feel like they fit really well and the fabric is great and it lasts a long time. 2 pairs of jeans, both cropped, black and blue. Then 3 sets of workout clothes. I usually wear them 2 or 3 times and I do sync laundry to pack less. All right, over here. I'm always on the hunt for a travel bra that's not a sports bra. This Athleta just came out, my favorite by far. I'm always looking for something that you can squish up and it doesn't get ruined. This is amazing. Again, by far my favorite. I'll link that. 1 set of pajamas, I'll wash that. Socks and underwear, I bring about 1/3 of what I need because again, I do laundry or hotel room laundry sink. Scarves, as you'll notice, my dresses, my t-shirts, they're all solids. So you can pair it with a scarf to change your look. So this is my airplane outfit. I always choose the bulkiest top. So it's a tank top sweater with leggings. And then I have my Arc'teryx jacket that I'll wear on the plane. And then just a sweater that I can put over my t-shirts and dresses for when it's cool at night. All right, so shoes. If you're learning to pack light, shoes is the first thing you have to focus on. 1, pack less. 2, pack the shoes that you can wear all day long. Stop packing the wedges, the heels, etc. So this is my 1 pair of running shoes, Lululemon. These are my new favorites. You probably saw these a lot in our Switzerland videos because they don't look terrible if you put them with jeans when your feet are really tired. Veja, I love this brand. Looks great with dresses, skirts, my Kohan sandals, and then again, y'all are probably tired of seeing these on Instagram and my blog posts, but these 0 grands have been a go-to for probably 10 years now. I keep rebuying them. They smush together. You can wash them, so you don't need socks if you don't want them. They're really light. I love these. Jewelry, I don't usually pack a ton of jewelry. This is everything beauty, hair, skincare, makeup, everything. So just a quick couple notes. stop buying the 3.4 ounce travel size. 3.4 ounces is too big. So this is 2 ounces. This is my biggest travel item. It's my face wash. It lasts me 3 weeks. So you do not need to buy the full 3.4 ounce travel items. Another item I found on Amazon that I really liked, I will link this because I tried a lot. This was my favorite, are these little guys. I think this is 0.5 ounces. I'll double check. Night cream for over 2 weeks. You don't need more than this. All right. Oh, and I did want to talk about 2 new products that I've found. Okay. Dry shampoo. I feel like the spray dry shampoos don't last long at all. And like with all the stuff coming out about all the toxins and stuff in them, I wanted to find a powder dry shampoo. This was my favorite. I got on Amazon. It's powder, so it's not liquid. You don't have to take it out for TSA. And it's like a little makeup poof type application. Really like it. I'll be rebuying it. Then another new find is the Dior lip balm. I was very hesitant to buy a designer makeup product. Usually I'm worried about you're just paying for the brand. I really like this for travel because 1, it's thicker. So if you have dry lips, it stays on pretty well. But for travel purposes, you're running around all day, the balm reacts to your pH. So even when it comes off or whatever, you still have that kind of natural pigmented color it adds to your lips. So I just feel like it's really good for travel because you don't feel like you have to like reapply constantly. I will be rebuying this. When I grabbed the link for this on Nordstrom, I saw that it was on sale. So now's the time to buy it. I think it's $34. Usually it's $40, but I love this. So anyway, this is all the makeup stuff. You can see, I mean, this compacts very small. You don't need more than that. That's everything. Headbands. This is my new tried and true straightener. It's a curling iron and straightener in one. They still sell this, so again, I will link that. All right, so let's move on to our equipment. So this is all the equipment we're bringing. Jake is packing some of this. So our Peak tripod, and then this is our phone tripod when we just don't want to carry this heavy one all day. My little handheld thing for when I'm taking videos. Japan book, that's way too big. Kindle, translator, camera. I've talked about this before. This is a heated mask. If you have dry eyes and you die on airplanes, this was a game changer. It's USB, so you can plug it into the seat on the plane. Huge, huge difference. I try and put all my like documents, passports, hand lotion, eye drops, all that stuff I want during the plane ride, chargers, I'll put that in here. All right, so this is going back to the laundry. I've had a lot of people ask about how I do hotel sink laundry. I buy these. This is a new find of mine. So it's a laundry sheet. I'll only bring 2. I'll put it in a plastic baggie because they cannot get wet. And I will just take 1/4 of this sheet for the whole sink. And it's great. It makes laundry room, sink easy. Umbrella. I always bring 2 pairs of sunglasses, water bottle. This, I always bring one of these Longchamp, the medium, I think it's the medium, I'll link it, bag. I love this because I use this as my purse when I don't want to bring my backpack to restaurants and whatnot. Is it super fashionable? No. But does it take up no space? Yes. And it's big enough that it can fit your water bottle, your wallet, your Kindle, your camera. It's great. I love it. I usually take my Tumi backpack, but since Jake is coming and he's taking his bigger backpack, I'll probably take a smaller one. I always do the parachute material because I lay these flat in the bottom of my bag. And then that is it. So I will show you later everything in the packing cubes and show that it does all fit in a carry-on. I'll show you this is going to pack and fit in my carry-on. So this packing cube this was all my dresses, shorts, jean skirts, jeans, all in this one. This one I have all my shirts, so all the t-shirts, long sleeve shirts, pajamas, scarves, tank tops, all that in this one. And the last smaller one, all the workout clothes, socks, underwear, belt, bathing suit, all in here. So the compression packing cubes, game changer. So here's my carry-on. This is the Away bigger carry-on flex, so I can make it a little bit bigger by unzipping that middle part. I love this bag. It has lasted over cobblestones. Love it. All right, so bottom portion, the 2 large packing cubes go in. This, I can compress it with the straps. This side, I always put the shoes. So these are my Cole Haans tennis shoes and sandals. This is the Vejas, so fit that in there. All my hair stuff in here. And so see, this little one fits nice in here. So all of that in my carry-on. So then everything that was up here, except we can see this is the stuff that Jake is taking, so he's really not taking that much. So I can fit everything in my DB backpack. So you'll see I have my smaller backpack and Longchamp flat on the bottom. Kind of use the sides for my Kindles and books. Japan book, my whole toiletry bag fits in here. And then this thing that I showed you with all my electronics, like plugins and stuff, this will go in the top portion. So, I mean, you can see I have space to spare. So, I mean, this is me thinking that, you know, I packed too much. I packed more than I usually pack, and it all fit in my carry-on.